Okay, so what I quickly want to show is how you can improve the startup time of your Z shell. So mine is currently as fast as this. And this is super strange, how long it loads here in the end. And that is mainly due to Node Version Manager, NVM. That is NVM. And there's just a few lines of code you can use to reduce the startup time of your Z shell by a lot. So this is how you source it traditionally. So let's comment it out and let's use this. Much quicker. So how quick is that? Okay, that's super quick. Now let's go back to how you use it usually. There it is again. Okay, so it takes noticeably longer to load. And what the code here does is it loads NVM when you use it for the first time, NVM or Node. So that's just a few lines of code you can use to improve your startup time of the Z shell if you're using NVM. And another way of improving the startup time is loading the compinit, that's the ZSH completion system, or part of the ZSH completion system. And the goal of the code here is also to not load it every single time you're opening a new Z shell. So the code just says, if the cached comp init is not from today, rebuild it. If it is from today, just use the cached one. That's the C flag here. Now this does not improve the startup time of your ZSH as much as the code to lazy load NVM, but I think it helps a little bit. So if you're using this, you're improving your ZSH startup time by, I don't know, 100 or 200, maybe even 300%. That's how long it takes to load NVM.